Okay, or P550 and trying out slug welding. So here I have a scrap piece of steel. We got a 1/4 inch hole. I'm going to cut a 3/4 by 3/4 square out of here and use the slug welding option of the machine. I've never done this before. Let's see how it works out. So here you see the square and you see these little lightning bolts. That's where it's going to do the slug welding. So here I had to manually edit, but I added in these M173 turns on slug welding, M172 turns it off. They're 100 thou wide, but check it out. Okay, we're coming on up at 50 thousandths in the Y, and the X is going to start machining. You can see we are going at approximately 3 inches an hour. I got it on the night setting, so I didn't want the wire to break. So now, as we get right here, the machine kind of slows up. And if you were here, you could actually hear maybe the pumps change and some things change. And you can kind of see it. Sorry, that little change in the mountainous there, right there. And you also see the advanced speed. The speed is running 2 inches instead of 3 inches. And we got that little lightning bolt there with the hollowness that I guess somehow means that it is doing slug welding. So it does slow down some, but again, if this was unattended machining, would you really care? We'll see how this works out. Okay, so we're done with the rough cut. A little hard to see here, but at 3, 6, and 9 o'clock, you see a little bit of the gap is missing, and that's where the wire welded to the slug and is holding it in place right now. There's nothing holding that in. So it was real easy to knock it out real fast. You see the 3 little bits of wire on the hole, and then you can see a little bit here on the slug, how that is. So this should just skim right off. Let's see how it goes. So now we let it go and do the skim cut, and you don't see any of the welds in there. This was just a 2-pass cut. I checked it with gauge blocks, seemed to be right on the money. Thanks for watching.